Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT 2 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So first of all, I'll show you how to customize this mode, and after that much faster access to it. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find display and brightness. Now let's scroll down a little bit to find the eye comfort, which is, as you can see, turned off. So let's tap on it, and before we will be able to actually customize it, we have to tap on this switcher here. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So you've got some options right here. So let's begin with, for example, the screen color temperature. We've got this switcher. So right now we are on the coolest setting, so I would not say it is not visible, but it is quite light, and by going to the right with the switcher, we can make it much warmer. I would say it's almost orangish. I'm not really sure if it is visible on the camera, as I can see on the preview, but trust me, it is. And under it we've got some display effects, so we can set the colors. As you can see, of course the screen is yellow, but you can still see this blue color, or you can set monochromatic option and the black and white, and as you can see, everything will be displayed in the black, white and gray color, but I will stick with the color option. What's more, we can schedule that feature, just tap on it, and we can pick only the custom time. So here we can manually pick the start and end time, so we can decide that we want to turn on this feature around, for example, 11 o'clock, and after tapping on turn off we can pick the end time. So I will pick, for example, 12. Let's tap on save, and as you can see, the screen is still yellow. It is of course because we are between the start and end time. But let me turn off this option and save. So basically this is the whole customization of this feature, and if you'd like to have much faster access to it, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar fully, and here, as you can see, we've got the eye comfort mode. So right now it is turned on. In order to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see, the screen immediately goes back to its normal state. It comes back to its normal state, and of course you can turn it on the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your REALME GT 2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.